feature that I haven't spoke of, and this is applicable to all three of the chassis, is Dell's reliable memory technology. And this is a feature that increases the reliability and the uptime of systems. Our high-end workstations always use ECC memory, error correction code memory, which is common in workstations and servers. And the value there is that ECC memory has the capability of detecting single-bit memory errors and correcting them. And that's great. That handles those kinds of errors and on the fly, so to speak. Dell's reliable memory technology builds upon that capability by actually identifying the bad spot on the memory that was corrected and storing that information. And when the system reboots, reliable memory technology will map that part of the DIMM out of the way so that the operating system, neither the operating system nor the application, will try to write to that spot again. So there's no chance that they will go back there and try to write there and risk a blue screen, etc. So that's really great because memory errors happen more often than people think, and this is a way of detecting them and correcting them immediately in terms of a bad spot on the DIMM. And after 7 occasions, if you had 7 of these situations where there was a bad spot on that DIMM recorded and mapped out, the system will provide the user with a notification that they should probably have the IT folks have a look at that specific DIMM. And that's a real benefit because, first of all, it avoids the chance of a failure, a blue screen failure, which could mean data loss, by taking care of the problem before it actually hurts. The second thing is that if you as a user, if you had a failure and you believed it was memory, the only way that an IT person could really figure out what the problem was is to run a memory diagnostic test. It can take, can you imagine on a 256 gigabyte system, it could take hours and hours and hours to run those tests. So by having the ability to detect these errors and map around them, you don't need to go through all that pain. So it's a huge win for customers who, and particularly customers who are doing jobs, big analysis jobs, where they could be running stuff for 2 or 3 days, or people who are running very large part files in memory, or any time where it's very important that the calculations be accurate. You simply can't afford, and you simply can't afford a blue screen. So we think this new technology, which just leverages some existing capability of ECC memory, but takes it one step farther to really maximize uptime for customers.